Formtech is a German company that produces plastic parts for the automotive industry around the world. The water used in the closed-circuit cooling system was heavily dosed with chemicals. Factory employees would routinely get cooling water on their skin when changing molds. The water was filthy, contaminated with bacteria, and extremely unpleasant for the employees to work with. We used to fill our cooling system with untreated tap water. Often, within only a couple of months, we would find that the water had gradually gone bad. We then had to play around with various combinations of chemicals in an attempt to get the water under control. But we had little luck. We found a huge amount of rust in the system. Our lab tests also indicated the presence of a lot of bacteria and algae. All the problems pretty much disappeared when we switched over to the Grandeur system. We just don't have to deal with these issues anymore. Water is a crucial factor in our production process. We need process stability, and now we have it. We're not too interested in taking water samples because we're not physicists or chemists. We prefer to stick to what we know best. If you'd asked me last year whether such a simple change could have allowed us to use water without chemical treatment, I would have said no way, not a chance. I would have said it simply could not be true. The reason is that we tried it with chemicals and they didn't work. Before that we tried it without chemicals and that didn't work. But now, because of Grandeur technology, it does work. We don't use any chemicals at all. We don't need to do any maintenance work on the water system, and it doesn't consume any additional energy. We started to use Grandeur technology at the beginning of this year and refilled the system with it. Up to now, the water in our cooling system is of a high enough quality to be drinkable. We've always looked to improve our water in ways that can be measured, and we've had a lot of success. The fact that we have experienced some other positive side effects makes it even more attractive.